Good morning. This is Vijay Vodakbalkar, diabetes educator and diabetes educator from Indo-Vietnam Medical Board and a health coach from Mumbai. Today I'm going to give you a fantastic health hack for you to boost your body's immunity. Yes, it's a very short video of couple of minutes. So my humble request to you all is to watch this video till its end. If you want to boost your body's immunity, you need to spend daily 20 minutes with your own self and do these three things on top priority at the beginning of the day so that you stay away from any or all of lifestyle related diseases such as extra body weight, hypertension, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even a cancer. Yes, I mean it. And they are as simple as you go out for a brisk walk in the bright sunshine anywhere between 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. every day in the morning, just for about 20 minutes. So you absorb vitamin D the best way when there is a bright sunshine on top of your head instead of taking a booster dose. Number two, adopt this grounding technique. Yes, listen to this very carefully. You need to hug a tree like palm tree or neem tree or any other tree which is in the vicinity of your complex for just about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, when you do that, you are getting plenty and plenty of electrons from the tree which is grounded on the earth, and your immunity becomes like Mother Earth's potential strongness immunity because you're directly getting electrons. Within less than 10 seconds you can feel in your body the kind of energy that is entering in your body. And number three, and the last thing, is to eat the salad. At least 200 grams of salads in every meal of your day, which will increase the fiber intake and in turn boost your body's immunity and maintain your good health. So, sun on top of your head, sunshine, sunlight. Second is hugging a tree. Third is eating a salad. So I hope you will promise your own self to do these three things to boost your body's immunity, and have a great day. And if you haven't already subscribed my YouTube channel Lead to Live, please do so by clicking the button below so that you will get an intimation of my next video on the subject. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.